Have you thought about weight loss lately? Here's some weight loss advice that you can use today. Hope for the best, prepare for the worst. Use this quote in any situation, big or small. Now here's how it works. In any situation, you're gonna start off thinking about all positive things, thinking of all the best things that can happen, because great, beautiful, miracle things can happen. So think positive, think happy. You want to attract. You want to attract all the good things that come your way. The law of attraction really comes into play when you follow this rule. Now, on the other side of that, prepare for the worst. What you really want to do and what's necessary is visualize. Really take time to think about what's the worst case scenario. What's the worst thing that can go wrong? By doing this, you're getting yourself, your brain, your body, everything ready just to take on challenges. You're getting your body ready to take on challenges, take on any struggles that are coming your way. Now, of course, it's important not to think about this too much. When I do it, I only think about it one time and then I just flood my brain with good positive thoughts. That way, I'm hoping for the best, but still I'm prepared for the worst case scenario. The reason why most people quit or give up when it comes to weight loss is because they expect it to be easy. They expect it to be fast. They expect it to be painless. So when a struggle, a challenge, or an obstacle comes to their face, which is what happens all the time, they usually tend to crumble, play the victim, and think that it shouldn't have happened. So what happens in those situations? They go back to what they know, go back to just falling into the same old habits. Do you want that to be you? I don't think so. So by hoping for the best and preparing for the worst, you're getting yourself ready for any situation that happens in between. Here's one way you can use it. You have a big gathering coming up. Think of the best case scenario. You're gonna eat everything that you know is good for you. You're not gonna overeat. You're not gonna over snack. You're not gonna overindulge or indulge at all in any sweets that you know are not good for you and your health goals. No one's gonna offer you any of those foods, and it's gonna be an easy ride at this family gathering, and it's gonna go perfect. Worst case scenario, no one's going to agree with your health choices. No one's going to like that you're eating things different than them. No one's going to like that you just denied what they just offered you. People are going to try to persuade you and influence you to break away from your health goals. People are going to make you feel bad because they feel bad that you're eating healthy and they're not. People are going to chant for you to eat donuts or cake or soda. Everyone's gonna get mad at you for eating healthy and you have to leave the party. That's an example of a possible worst case scenario. With the gathering like that, you thought of the best case scenario and you'd love for that to happen. You thought of the worst case scenario and you likely don't want that to happen. But here's what you did. You prepared yourself for anything to happen between. You just prepared yourself to deny the snacks that are coming your way and all the offers. And you're already ready to say no to the things that you know are bad for you and say yes to the things that you know are good for you. Remember, most people quit and give up because they expect no challenges. Expect and prepare for the challenges that are inevitable and unavoidable. Hope for the best, prepare for the worst. I'm MindStrong weight loss coach Santi. I've lost 125 pounds and I've overcome the same obstacles, struggles, and challenges that you're facing today. And what I'm teaching you is the same ways that worked for me with my weight loss journey. I'm here to help you out. Get accountability, support, friendship, wisdom, advice. Become a MindStrong member today at mindstrongweightloss.com.